6. She sound good now. What's up? What's cracking? Welcome back to the channel. You are now watching I Stay Joshin'. I don't know. I thought I was gonna rhyme on that one. Just left the gym, heading home, and what better way if the roads are clear and it's safe out here in Mexico, because that's the only place we drive silly. We don't do that on the main roads or nothing like that. I figured I'd bring y'all along. You know, somebody always said they love watching the channel because of crazy stuff we do. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let me slap y'all with an intro. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you love this video, and I will see y'all in a little bit.
Jet ride to the trenches, fucked around and popped the 10. I couldn't really pop my shit, I had to get back for my twin. Say free shiesty till he's free, go ask his bitch, I set them 10. Me and Disky share a room, a double bed and jury in. Ask your favorite rapper, why he go to him, his jury dim. Ain't no problem.
Girl, I still think about you. Not looking too bad, looking a little clear, on the clear side. We might be able to, you know, have a little bit of fun out here, but nah, it's pretty. The day's a little gloomy, man, but you know, can always still have a little bit of fun in the sun. Let me go ahead and turn this around so y'all can see my big ass head. Big head status, there we go. Oop, phone just dang. You know I like to roll the windows down, you know, so we can listen to that great fine music. Like I said, beautiful Hawaii. Let me see, I'm gonna put this out the window so y'all can see what I see. Oh, the sun is peeking through. Finally, we got some sun. Okay. I've been waiting for some sun. Y'all don't understand. I've been waiting for some sun. Hey, so like I said, I have access to my mirror now because this was mounted on the mirror. But, you know, I said, man, let me find somewhere else to mount it. On the passenger side. We're going to make this a full rally video, a full rally car. This is going to switch to carbon fiber. I'm going to put a magnet so we can actually flatten out and put a screen here, maybe an iPod, which is gonna have Waze and all that different communications for the passenger to deal with. So you know what I'm saying, we're trying to do our thing, but like I said, we in sport mode. Y'all can see the dash, see how we doing things out here. Yeah, so let's look for some clear roads, man. You know, I love it. We'll give it a little hit. Good. She sound good. Like I said, you know, it sound good, man. Especially look, little downshift, 6. She sound good now. Everybody breaking up here. I don't know why. See, going off. Hit that button. Yeah. All right, we got 3-4 cars to go around. Let me see if I can get around these damn cars. Got cars in the way, so can't really have fun, but I'll just play by myself. But she's smooth, man. She's smooth, man. I forgot how smooth this baby is. Oh, did I make that noise? Oh, did I make that noise? Big pause. Big pause. But nah, the car feeling smooth. This might sound a little crazy, but for all my car people, you understand. She drives after like if I daily her for a couple weeks, she starts to act up, drive sort of kind of rough, feel sort of kind of gunky. But I park her up, chill, whatever. But when I get on her for the day, she running smooth. When she's running not hot, but her up to optimal performance, and she's getting that workout in. When I say she, I'm talking about my car. She runs great. I mean, amazing. But you park her up, she gonna act stupid. You park her up, she's gonna act super freaking stupid. I don't get it, man. But yeah, I need to buy detergent before I go home. Okay, cops. My issue is really this weather, man. This weather is killing me right now. Damn, like I don't understand. It's killing me. So shitty of weather, like damn. You know, quick little catch up. Ain't nothing to it but to do it.
They ain't believe in us. MJ did. Call California Jordan phone. Bet they ain't got these Jordans on. United Center was sold out when I came. They say Jordan home. Growing up, them stores always sold out. I had to order some. Back in the day, lil' bro had 2 lanes. He had like 40 of them. She told me